Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I would like to demonstrate how to paint a picture plants. This is a 2023 Secondary 5 SPM Art question number 5. Let us view the question. Anda sedang melakukan aktiviti riadah di sebuah hutan di waktu pagi. Anda melihat tumbuhan periuk kera yang unik dengan berbagai saiz dan warna. Kelihatan titisan embun pada daun-daun dan periuk kera tersebut. Gambarkan situasi tersebut dari jarak dekat dengan memberi penekanan kepada pencahayaan, ruang, bentuk dan jalinan. After that, we start to create a good composition for our artwork. Plan the composition. Start the creating process by sketching a drawing of the general composition of the idea, including all the elements that you want to incorporate. Prepare your painting tools like poster color palettes, water container, and paper towel. And the most important is the color pencil. This color pencil used to draw the drone drops on the leaf. Form. How to make the object 3-dimension look. It all depends from mixing the colors. Developing tone. Tone value are the gradation of tone from light to dark color. Blending light and shadow is an essential technique will help you make the shape more 3D. Harmony color. In this painting, I will use a warm color as a main color tone for the whole artwork. This kind of harmony color will create a mood in an artwork. done. The pictures plans. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.